What's up, guys? We're back with another update to our ever-growing trailer lineup. The trailer we have to talk about today is our new tilt, the Iron Bull TWB. First, let's talk about why you might want to consider a tilt trailer a serious contender for your next trailer. Tilts offer versatile loading. One of the key benefits of a tilt trailer is that you can load a wider range of objects onto your trailer. As long as you're within the weight limit and can get the equipment on your trailer, you can haul it. The tilt deck allows you to haul different loads easily. If you have a folding loading ramp, you'll have to sacrifice some trailer space when you pack up the ramp. With a tilt deck, the entire deck becomes the ramp. Because the load angle is more gradual, getting low riding equipment on your trailer is easier to do. So what makes the TWB a must-see? The TWB is an 8-inch I-beam trailer that combines the finest features from both the EWB and TLB models. Taking the form of the EWB, you can see that the frame in the toolbox is a familiar design, but new for tilts. This means more storage space and a beefier frame. And the coupler is similar to that of our DTB. With 4 different positions available, you can always ensure your trailer is level to your tow vehicle. For its running gear, you've got 2 7,000-pound torsion axles and super single ST235 85R16 radial tires. We offer the TWB in 83-inch or 102 wide options, as shown here today, with our 102 wide model giving you drive-over fenders. These are thick 1/4-inch gauge steel fenders that can handle the heaviest of equipment. Our TWB is also lighter than tilt models as a result of the different frame design, while still keeping virtually the same load angle and deck height. Operating the tilt deck is a smooth process with included instructions on each model. We replaced the latch pins with an easier to use linch pin, and the handle is larger, making it easier to grip. Instead of having a single locking point for the deck and frame, we gave the TWB 2 large points of connection with a simple locking mechanism that's proven to remain in place. For towing, we make 6 3-inch D-rings standard and give you ample amounts of stay pockets along the rub rails. Some more standard features: 10K drop leg jack, 3-inch structural cross members, 2x6 treated pine floor, lifetime LED lighting, and lots more. And of course, the TWB is backed by our ironclad warranty. To see our complete list of features and available options, you can visit our website at norstarcompany.com or visit your local authorized Iron Bull dealer today. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.